Hey guys, welcome back to Rena Eats, and today we have Popeyes sweet chili wings. Y'all don't mind my hair, I just got out the hospital. We're not gonna talk about it. But anyway, so we have the bone-in sweet chili wings from Popeyes. I ain't gonna hold y'all long, we're gonna jump right into it. Popeyes snapped when they made these little bone-in wings. They're so crispy and fresh. It's 12 o'clock. Popeyes just opened up at 11 o'clock. You have to go in the morning to get your food. It's always good. What do y'all like better, drums or flats? I'm one of them girls that don't have a preference. I'll eat them both. But you have them people that be like, flats only flats. But me, I don't mind. That is so good. What's your favorite wing flavor at Popeyes? The sweet chili got me in a chokehold. I also have a side of french fries. They're fresh. They're nice and crispy. I like to dip them in the sweet chili sauce a little bit. Now, I didn't get a bag from there, but I have one. Don't worry about the cup.